The village eatery was old but clean and full of warmth. It was early morning. A few customers were enjoying hot tea and parathas. Balwant sat near the counter and Shanti was chopping vegetables in the kitchen.
Wonderful, Balwant. What a magic touch you have. The taste of your tea and parathas. No big hotel can match it. It's all your blessings, Thakur Sahab. The real magic lies in the old stove. It's the legacy passed from my grandfather to my father and then to me.
And along with that legacy, that's your hard work. The moment you start cooking dal at 4 in the morning, that aroma wakes up the village.
Just then, a young man walks in with a bag on his shoulder. Seeing him, everyone goes quiet.
Mom, Dad,
My son, you are back. How are you? You've become so thin in the city.
so you are back? Finished your course, huh? Yes, Dad. It's done. I passed with first class. I knew it. My son would make me proud. Go wash up. Chandu, make a special buttery paratha for him. No, Dad. No parathas. Just a cup of black coffee without sugar.
Balwant, Chandu and Thakur Sahab look at one another confused.
Black coffee? What's that, Malik? It's that bitter city tea. Just make him normal tea with milk. These fancy habits should stay in the city. It's fine. I'll make it myself.
Rohan walks towards the kitchen. Balwant keeps glaring at him. The place had closed for the day. Balwant, Shanti and Rohan were having dinner together. Have another roti, beta.
No, Ma. I'm full. Just 2 rotis and you are done. Seems the city's made your appetite smaller too. How will you handle the eatery then? That's what I wanted to talk to you about, Bapuji. Yes. From tomorrow, sit at the counter and start learning everything. This whole place will be yours soon. You can even rename it. Bapuji, I don't want to run this dhaba.
Balwant freezes. The piece of roti slips from his hand. What are you saying, Rohan?
Mom, I didn't study hotel management to come back and run this small place. It's the same dal roti, the same old tables. The world has moved on. So what will you do? Go to the city and serve tea in somebody else's restaurant? Tell me. No, I'll start my own cafe. A modern place where people can eat pasta, burgers, sandwiches and chat too. Pasta, burgers? For 3 generations, our family has fed people real food and now you want to sell foreign junk? Bapuji, it's not junk. It's called continental food. It has better profit margins. This dhaba is just surviving. There is no growth here. Growth, margins. Is that all you learned? Didn't they teach you what heritage means? The same dhaba that fed and educated you. Today, you say it has no growth. You'll never understand, Bapuji. You just can't think beyond dal roti. Fine. But remember this, if you go to the city to open your fancy cafe, then the doors of this eatery will forever be closed for you. Did you understand me?
Balwant storms off in anger, leaving Rohan silent and Shanti in tears. The air was heavy. Balwant sat quietly at the counter. Rohan worked on his laptop in a corner. Chandu was serving customers.
Bhaiya, talk to Malik. He hasn't eaten since last night.
What's the point, Chandu? He'll never understand me.
Just then, a tourist bus stopped outside. A group of college students entered noisily. The dhaba gets full.
Uncle, do you serve pizza here?
We serve dal roti here. Eat that or go somewhere else.
How rude! Come on, guys, let's leave. Half the group gets up to go. Rohan quickly stands.
Wait, please stay. We don't have pizza, but we have got something even better.
Everyone pauses. Balwant looks at Rohan in surprise.
Chandu, get water for everyone. Ma, bring some dough.
Hey, what are you doing?
Just give me 15 minutes, Bapuji. Watch me.
Rohan starts working. He starts mixing vegetables, paneer and spices into the dough, using butter instead of oil.
Chandu, chutney and curd. Bring them fast.
10 minutes later, he slices the paratha into pizza-shaped triangles, sprinkles grated paneer, adds butter on top and serves them.
Presenting our own desi pizza. Try it. Oh my god, this is amazing.
Everyone starts eating eagerly. This is 1,000 times better than any pizza. Bhaiya, bring 4 more. Balwant was watching everything quietly, but he was very amazed. Within half an hour, the crowd finishes eating, praising Rohan, and the cash counter is literally piled with notes.
In 1 hour, we earned what we usually make in a whole day. Rohan Bhaiya, you did wonders.
Rohan looks at his father, who still hasn't said a word. The dhaba was closed again. Shanti and Rohan were balancing the accounts. Balwant sat silently. Rohan, what a day. The same paratha, just served differently.
See, Mom, that's what I've been saying. We don't have to change who we are, only how we present it. Babuji, we need to transform our dhaba. Transform? How? We can replace these wooden benches with cushioned seats, repaint the walls, tidy up the kitchen and add a card machine. Tidy up? Are you saying we serve dirty food? And these benches? My father made them with his own hands. Your grandfather ate sitting on these. You want to throw them out? That's not what I meant, Bapuji. You meant exactly that. You think everything I built, this food, these benches, this legacy is old and useless? Yes, because you refuse to change. If we don't adapt now, this place won't survive tomorrow. Why don't you understand? Shut up, you idiot!
Shanti and Chandu, who were standing in a corner, were surprised, and there was silence throughout.
This dhaba will never die. It's my life. Now get out. Go open your pasta burger stall somewhere else.
Rohan stares at him with tears in his eyes.
You are right, Bapuji. I should just leave.
Rohan picks up his laptop and walks out. Rohan, stop beta. What have you done? He is your own son. Balwant stands motionless. The next morning, the dhaba was open but lifeless. Balwant sat by the stove staring at the fire. Chandu was serving customers but was half-hearted.
Hey Balwant, the dal isn't even cooking yet. Where is Rohan? He's gone. He's gone to the city. Why? He thinks all this is old. He wants growth, margin. So what's wrong with that, Balwant?
Balwant surprisingly looks at Thakur Sahib.
Balwant, when your father ran this place, he served food on leaf plates. Then you came, you switched to steel ones. Remember? Yes, so your father cooked on a wood stove. You installed gas. That was change too. That was growth. Did your father stop you?
Balwant falls silent.
Balwant, legacy doesn't mean keeping things frozen in time. It means keeping their soul alive. Did you understand what I say? Soul? Yes. The soul of this dhaba is its taste and warmth. That should never change. But times keep moving. Presentation must evolve. Your son isn't cutting roots. He's giving the tree more nourishment so it can grow. And you? Drove him away? Why don't you understand this concept, Balwant?
Balwant looks stunned, realizing his mistake.
Chandu, run to the bus stand! Stop him! Quick!
Rohan stood by the road waiting for the bus. It arrived. As he began to step up, a voice called from behind.
Rohan! Stop! Stop, son!
Rohan turns, surprised to see him.
Bapuji, you? That card machine you mentioned, where do we buy it?
Rohan surprisingly looks at Balwant.
Bapuji, and that desi pizza you made, put it on today's menu.
Tears well up in Rohan's eyes. He runs and hugs his father.
Bapuji, forgive me, Bapuji. Silly boy. Sons don't say sorry to their fathers. Come on, we've got a dhaba to run.
The dhaba looked refreshed. The same wooden benches now had soft cushions. The walls were newly painted, decorated with village photos. New sofas stood in the corner. At counter sat a shiny card machine. Rohan managed the counter, checking accounts on his laptop. In the kitchen, Balwant wore a clean apron while cooking.
Rohan bhaiya, 2 desi pizzas and 1 special bhola dal tadka for table number 4. Okay, Chandu kaka. Bapuji, order. It's coming.
Thakur Sahab sat nearby as Rohan approached.
Would you like anything else, Thakur Sahab? Maybe try our cappuccino today? Arey no, beta. I'll stick to my favorite, Balwant's ginger tea.
Just then, Balwant walked out with a tray. There was a cup of tea and 1 cappuccino with a smiley made of cream.
Here, your city-style bitter coffee. Taste it. I made it myself.
Rohan smiles and lifts the cup. Balwant and Thakur enjoy their tea. And just like that, the village dhaba and its priceless legacy continued.